Here's a closer look at these HyeFlora artificial eucalyptus stems. There are 5 stems in the set, each about 32 inches long, and they're made from high-quality faux silk and plastic, so the leaves, they feel realistic and aren't falling off anytime soon. These stems work really well anywhere you want a touch of greenery, so you can use them with vases, centerpieces, any garlands, wreaths, you name it. You can brighten up your kitchen, living room, bedroom, or even your front porch and garden. So the stems are wire-based, which is great because you can bend and twist them into pretty much any shape you want. You can also trim them to size with scissors or pliers, which makes them super versatile for different projects. And since they're artificial, they're waterproof and durable, so they last a long time without worrying about wilting or needing water. I love that with just a few of these leaves, you can create a fresh vibe in your home. And also, a quick note, if they get a little bent or squished in transit, it's easy to fluff them back into place. You can even use a hairdryer on cold to reshape them. Overall, this is a great find. Check it out.